everyone. This is the group A presenting to you the revamped revolutionized comeback of the Kodak company. Kodak is a technology company that dominated the photography film market during most of the 20th century. The company blew its chance to make digital photography revolutionized as they were denied for too long. Sasson, the Kodak engineer, actually invented the first digital camera back in 1975, in which it was a filmless photography. When he showed it to his members, they said that it's cute, but told him not to don't tell it to anyone. The leader of Kodak failed to see digital photography as a disruptive technology. The former vice president of Kodak, Don Strickland, says, "We developed the world's first consumer digital camera, but we could not get approval to launch or sell it because of fear of the effects of the film market. The management was so focused on the film success that they missed the digital revolution after starting. Kodak filed a bankruptcy in 2012, and the Kodak failure surprised many."
Reasons for failure of Kodak. First, the core competency became core rigidity. Second, lack of market research. Third, late mover of digital photography. Fourth, innovation and transformation failure. And last, the unwillingness to change. Here is a comprehensive presentation analysis of the business from 2013 to 2024. For the 2013, the global economy is still recovering and the process of digital disruption intensifies. Here are the key market trends for this year. First is the digital dominance. Digital photography continued its growth trajectory with smartphones incorporating high-quality cameras more and more. Second, rise of smartphone photography. The rise of photography through smartphones has posed a big threat to all traditional cameras manufacturers, including the Kodak. And for this strategy, Kodak has focused more on core competencies such as commercial printing and film. Kodak has invested in the field of more energy-efficient and environmentally friendly printing technologies. It can be the area of ink, paper, or printing process. Concentrate on niche markets such as film enthusiasts. In this venture, the development of specialized type of films or partnership with film camera manufacturers may be located. And for the year 2014, the global economy is recovering from a slow growth that started. Here is the market trend for this year. The advent of digital printing. Digital printing technologies have gained popularity in various sectors, including commercial printing, packaging, and labels. And for this strategy, the digital imaging partnership. Partnership with an alternative supplier of smartphones to include that sophisticated camera in all smartphones and change to niche marketing such as professional photography, accessories, or image editing software respectively. And for the year 2015 and 2016, the economic status is that the global economy was growing very slowly, rapidly advancing in some of the technological improvements, particularly with regards to digital, will continue to erode the traditional form of working in various industries, including the photography sector. To strategize this, first, the long-term vision for innovation and adaptation to changing markets, and last, invest in customer service, support, and relationships to build loyalty among customers and stand out from competitors.
Next, in the year 2017, market trend. Customers are getting more and more used on black and white photography and vintage cameras style. Strategy. Innovate new technology like instant film and camera. Focus on innovating new technologies to respond to the changing customer needs or innovate digital camera that combine both of digital and film. 2018 and 2019, film photography experienced a resurgence in popularity. Market trend. Increased demand on film cameras by younger generation. Strategy. Improve and make advancement to all cameras. Since new film cameras were produced in this year's because of the comeback of film photography, Kodak Company will focus on refurbishing and improve all and vintage film cameras to meet customers' demands. 2020, significant changes due to the impact of COVID-19 pandemic. Market trend. Demand on minimalist and diversity style as customers are moving away from pastel colors and pictures. Strategy. Create a more competitive, high-end products or invest in film camera production and collaboration. Partnering with manufacturers or other companies like Nikon and Canon, the company can produce new and affordable cameras.
Next, during the emergence of COVID-19 pandemic during the year 2021 to 2022, this brought a drastic effect on the business venture. COVID sees a lot of opportunities, but it also led into innovative ideas that were brought by the advanced technologies, transforming this into a prosperous camp, adapting to changes and trends. The generation give massive idea creation to new products. By leveraging their printing technology expertise, it would make one of the high-speed digital printing solution for businesses, including packaging, marketing materials, and even personalized products. With this kind of business quality offer, it would likely to be an oligopoly since few major companies are competing with each other. Besides the high investment in research and development for innovation, considering most products are already AI powered in this era. This could potentially evolve the Kodak industry. This would be the strategies applied on the year 2021-2022. The adaptation and innovation, leveraging core competencies, diversification, focus on high-value solutions, investment to research and development, and market positioning. By the year 2023, with the Kodak advanced materials, this would mean that creating a new product launching to the market, new to the eye of customers and to the market, seems promising. This would require a strong and smart marketing and collaborative partnership with the market. Hence, proper financing and budget allocation must be considered in cases of economic downturns that could impact the product demand and the vital product quality that stands out in the market. By that reasoning, these strategies would perfectly apply on the year 2020. The product innovation, strategic marketing, partnership, just like before, partnering with Canon and Nikon, and financial planning and risk assessment and product quality focus. By entering year 2024, the continuing evolution of the digital or technological era, adapting to constantly changing market trends, especially newer products being uploaded to the market, and prospering rapidly. Idea management, financial management, marketing management, as well as production management will be the core component into innovative production, setting standards of a product that could compete against the relating customers, offering them idealistic product. By that, with the competitor analysis, I guess the DJI Osmo is one of their core competitors. The strategies would apply perfectly on this year. Adaptation to market trends, innovation, again, comprehensive management approach, customer retention, and competitive strategy. And that would be all. Thank you.